Okay, so we have a physics question. It says study the diagram below, and it looks like it's an experiment on light, right? On reflection of light, and we have this angle here given, that angle given, the normal. Of course, the light rays are coming from the air over to the glass. Label on the diagram the angle of incidence with the letter I. Calculate the refractive index of glass. Calculate the critical angle of glass in the diagram above. All right. This one says label the angle of incidence. The angle of incidence is an angle between the incident ray and the normal ray. So the angle between the incident ray and the normal, that one there, that is A. Okay. Then B, calculate the refractive index of glass. So refractive index is given by sine of the angle of incidence over the sine of the angle of what? Refraction. Which one is our angle of incidence? This one here. Not this one, not this one. Please. The angle of incidence is an angle always between the normal and the incident ray. Now, this is a normal. The moment we have the word normal, it is perpendicular to the surface, and the angle being formed there, it will be 90 degrees. So if this angle is 46, what would be that angle? So I is 90 minus 40 what? 6. So give us 40 what? 3. So I is 43. So we are saying sine 40 what? 3 degrees over R, which is the angle of reflection, is the angle between the normal and the reflected ray. For this one, it's okay. We have sine 38 degrees. The only thing remaining now is the use of your calculator. Sine 43 sorry, 44, not 43. 44. In here is 44. Sine 44, we divide by sine 38. 1.128 and so on. Well, we can just round it off and say the refractive index is given by 1. Let's just say 1.13. It doesn't have units, so you leave it the way it is. Then C says the critical angle. Now, the relationship between the critical angle and the refractive index, well, say reciprocal of one another. A critical angle is an angle of incidence whose angle of refraction is 90. Alright, so it's an angle of incidence whose angle of refraction is 90. So if we say sine 90, what are we getting? 1, right? Exactly. So refractive index is equal to 1 over sine C, where C is a critical angle. So we move on and say sine C is equal to 1 over critical angle, which will be 1 over critical angle is 1.13. So we divide 1 by 1.13. I'm getting 0.8. So this is 0.88. I'll leave it there. So we are saying sine what? Sine C is equal to 0.88. Then we say C, which is a critical angle, is equal to sine inverse of 0.88. What are we getting as C? So we say sine inverse. I'm getting 62.2. So I'll just get 62 0.2 degrees. This is my critical angle. So you've seen how it is. It's quite simple, like really simple. And I've simplified it for you. You can start your online classes with us. Very much affordable. Grade 10, 11, 12 and GCE. And do not forget to give us a subscription. Both are on our platforms, YouTube, TikTok and Facebook. It's been PS Tutor. I'll see you in another video.